This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Brian Tchaikovsky. Look no further! Welcome home to this beautifully updated 2-bedroom 2-bath condo right in the heart of Punta Gorda Isles. All new carpets were just installed in both big bedrooms. Both bathrooms are outdated with new vanities and a stunning re-glaze of the showers. The kitchen has a perfect breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances and granite countertops. The large living room leads out to an enclosed, screened-in balcony lanai that overlooks the pool and lush landscaping. The water heater was just replaced in 2022 and the central air conditioner system is less than 18 months old. Roof was done approximately 7 years ago on all units, and assessments on it have already been paid off. This home comes partially furnished for your convenience. Worry-free. Islander Point is a gorgeous waterfront community with docks and access to the bay/harbor/ocean that is extremely sought after. Listings do not last long here. $2,000 lender credit at closing to buyer with use of our preferred lender. For more information